This is my all-time favorite replacement grip. Not an overgrip, a replacement grip. The thing I like about it, it's got some ridges that allow me to grab the racket a little bit better. I've had some minor nerve damage in both my hands. It's tacky, so I don't have to worry about the racket slipping from my hands. And like I said, I don't put an overgrip on mine. It's just, when it gets worn out, I simply just replace it. I can go several months depending on how often I play. Lately, just hitting with the grandkids and so forth, I put overgrips on their rackets, but not here. So here, just a matter of taking the finishing tape from this end over here on the right, and there it is. No replacement grip. So we got to start at the butt here, and we don't want this showing. So we start at the corner. I unraveled the replacement grip. You can see I'm way at the top, and this replacement grip, when in general the replacement grip has more adhesive than the overgrip. So I had to unravel it, make sure that I got the coverage that I want. And the overlap, try to minimize it, maybe a couple of millimeters. And then when I get to the end here, the other side, I'll make a cut. There it is, that's what's left. You can eyeball it here. You can use a marker and stuff and do it that way, but I just kind of eyeball it. I unravel it, and then I make the cut diagonally. If I miss a little bit, in other words, in this case, there's going to be some wood showing, a bit of that wood there. The finishing tape will take care of that, and then I've got the rubber sleeve there that'll be lowered to cover whatever I want to cover here. I'll put the finishing tape on, and then the sleeve comes down, and we're ready to go. There it is with the sleeve down, right below the Wilson logo. And you can see the ridges. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.